In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter and manage your subscribers in Mailerlite Classic. Whether you're new to email marketing or a seasoned pro, effectively managing your subscribers can enhance your communication strategy and ensure you're reaching the right audience. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailerlite Classic dashboard. You can easily do this by typing in the URL or using your bookmarks if you've saved it there. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll be able to see an overview of your campaigns, domains, and subscribers, all designed to help you keep your finger on the pulse of your email marketing efforts. Now find and click on the Subscribers tab. This is where all your subscriber information is neatly stored. Clicking on this will take you to a comprehensive list of every person subscribed to your email list. It's important to manage this section carefully, as it's directly tied to how effectively you can communicate with your audience. Next, you'll want to filter this list to find specific groups of subscribers. Look for the Choose a Filter option. It's typically easy to spot at the top of your subscriber list. Click on this option to reveal a variety of filtering choices. These filters allow you to narrow down your list based on criteria like subscription status, location, or email activity, just to name a few. For this demonstration, we'll focus on filtering emails. Click on Email from the list of available filters. This option allows you to specify certain email characteristics you might be interested in. You can target emails based on certain domains, sections of addresses, or even personal identifiers. Once you've clicked on the email option, you'll need to choose an operator. This step is crucial as it determines how the filter will interact with your subscriber data. Click on this option to explore different operators like contains, starts with, or equal to. For this tutorial, select does not contain, which will allow us to filter out emails based on specified text that they don't include. It's time to type in your criteria. In this case, type in the word highlight. This ensures that any email containing this word will be excluded from the filter results. This step is particularly useful if you want to focus on a certain demographic that might not engage with highlighted content as frequently. Finally, hit the Apply Filter option. Doing this will enact all the criteria you've just set, narrowing down your subscriber list to only those contacts that meet the defined conditions. You'll now have a streamlined list tailored to your specific search, making your email marketing efforts more targeted and more efficient. It's that simple. You've just learned how to use filters in Mailerlite Classic to manage your subscribers. Feel free to experiment with different filters and operators to better understand your audience and fine-tune your campaigns for maximum impact. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy emailing.